joined Rockwell in 1994 after spending 10 years prior to Rockwell building control systems. When I first joined Rockwell, they put me in charge of a new controller that was being developed. And it was kind of cool because I remember meeting with the development team, and they showed me this new circuit board. And we're really proud of this product. And I was like, okay, well, what's it supposed to do? And I remember them giving me this really strange look and said, that's what you're here for. And so that's when I think it dawned on me that we were really breaking new ground. And so when I was responsible for Logix, one of the first things that I pushed for was we needed to be able to support multiple disciplines with one controller so that our systems integrators and our customers could solve all of their problems with one solution instead of having to go through all the hoops that we needed to go through. And so I think that was one of the extensions that we brought into the portfolio that allowed it to really take off later when we expanded on the functionality. In the fall of 1996, we actually launched or introduced the new product at Automation Fair. And at the time, the controller wasn't ready yet. So we started talking about the product as a gateway. So we initially introduced the product as a series of communication modules that allowed you to move information from one network to another. We also later in 1997 launched the controller. So that's the first point where ControlLogix actually was launched publicly. And we talked about at that time the structured data model, the multidisciplinary control, the integrated motion functionality that we had in the product. And the magazine editors took that in and felt that it was so earth-shattering that we actually won this award right off the bat. So the product hadn't even hit the street and it started winning awards, which I think is pretty telling. So my name is Ron Bliss. I'm currently the software product manager responsible for communication software.